Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial where we'll discuss how to generate PDF files for download in .NET Core MVC applications. So I've created a .NET Core MVC application in Visual Studio 2022. You'll need to install the IronPDF library for your project. You can install it using the NuGet Package Manager or the NuGet Console. Either way, just make sure that you're downloading the latest versions so that you can get the best results. So now we'll open the home controller file, which is under the controllers menu. We'll move down to the file and write the code for generating PDF files. Here is the function that I'll use to generate PDFs. In this function, I create a Chrome PDF render object and set the page size to A2. And this is a suitable size for most PDFs. After that, I change the viewport width to 1280, and you can change that width to whatever your requirements may be. Now I use the render URL as PDF function to convert the HTML content on our IronPDF homepage into a byte stream, and you can save the content directly to any location on the file system with the save as function, but rendering it as a byte stream will allow users to download the PDF file to any location on their computers from the servers, which is exactly what we want to do. So now let's go ahead and move on to the index.cs HTML file, and you can find that located under the home folder. I replaced the starter placeholder code in index.cs HTML file with the source code that will allow users to download the generated PDF file. Here I create an anchor tag and style it to resemble a button. I declare the ASP controller property on the anchor tag and set it to the name of the home controller. I also set the ASP action property to reference the generate PDF function that we wrote in the home controller file. And then finally, I set the text of the link to read generate PDF. So now let's go ahead and run the project. Alright, here we can see a page heading and a button with the text generate PDF. So let's click on the button, see what happens. So the option download a file appears on the screen, so click on the download file button, save it at a default location. And let's open the downloaded file and see what we have. So this is the PDF file that the IronPDF generated from the URL, and as you can see, everything about the web page is captured perfectly. Formatting, styling, background images, headings, fonts, each and everything is in the same as the original web page. All the page interactions work as well. You can click on the links and fill in the text box. Everything works perfect. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful, and as always, if you need any help, our support team is standing by ready to assist.